Mga kababayan ng sir, this is Jam, the Filipino channel lang niya pong lingkod. So today is March 4, 2026 at tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan yan sa may Lilac Street, Fairview po yan, Novaliches, Quezon City. At dadalhin po natin sa may welcome day po sa may Carino sa C1 Mindanao Avenue, Barangay Talipapa, Quezon City. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti. Pag nakuha na po natin sila, disclaimer lamang po ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organization, government o private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po? Magbabalik po tayo mamayang konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Samantala, makinig tayo ng mga nagbabagang balita at mga talakayan habang tayo ay papunta doon yan sa ating pick up area.
Daluyan ng hangin na ginagawang mas maalwan ang paghinga. The secret of...
Ala, walang balita. Mamaya na lang.
No government of fund in relation to Article 5. Nakita po ako isa. I was just trying to look for more. Paragraph 76. And paragraph 76 is found under the treatment of facts and precedent facts. So that is before the discussion of the article. The main discussion of the article. So we cannot specificate whether discussed or laid down in that portion of statement of and precedent facts to the discussion now. So article paragraph 76, as I said, will fall under a narration or a statement of an ultimate fact. What does it say? Public records and investigative leads indicate the existence of bank accounts, property transactions, and other financial movements that are disproportionate to respondents' salary local income and not fully reflected in their statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth. Isn't this an essential, material, ultimate fact that can be supported, substantiated during the evidentiary stage of this proceeding? Thank you very much. The Honorable Nadal and then the Honorable Rodriguez.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Pag binasa po nyo itong mga nakalagay sa Article 5 regarding unexplained wealth, SALN violations, bank records, and financial forensics, nakalagay lahat sila based on assumptions in preliminary documentary leads, hindi po solid proof. Keep saying that a forensic review will uncover unexplained assets, but as of now, wala naman napakita yung complaint, wala man lang attachments na kahit ano to prove itong sinasabi na unexplained wealth. First, the complaint talks about supposed discrepancies in the SALNs, but differences in reporting do not automatically mean someone was dishonest. Hindi po ako abogado, but I am an economist. Bago po ako naging congressman. Alam naman po natin na property values change. Assets can be bought or sold at different times. We immediately label this as pattern of concealment without clear proof of intent is unfair and speculative at best, Madam Chair. Second, kailangan daw po ng forensic financial review to reconcile declared income and assets sa SALN. Identify unexplained inflows or transfers and trace the disposition of public funds alleged to have been diverted. Di ba dapat po trabaho ito ng complainant na mapakita ng ebidensya sa reklamo niya para maging sufficient in substance? Third, the complaint points to large cash disbursements from confidential funds and say these correlate with certain financial movements. But yung mismong complaint admits in paragraph 237 that correlation is not conclusive. Suspicion based only on timing does not prove personal gain. So, mag-i-impeach po tayo ng Vice President na binoto ng 32 million na tao na Pilipino dahil lang sa suspensya. Third, the mention of intermediaries,
Yun ang totoo, no?
third-party accounts, or
Suspensya lang.
provisions or relatives is likewise made to
Kung may
sound
ano yan, mga ebidensya talaga.
Ayan, so di-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat. God bless.
Net worth for 2023.
Paalam po muna ha. Pansamantala tayo ay gagawa na ng ibang video sa ating susunod na mission.
77 million
Paalam po.
508,841 pesos.